You got some minutes on you and you are pretty bored. Let me teach you some quick snack recipe that you can enjoy, you and your family. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Nova and I am back again to be your chef for today. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today are going to be making this quick, delicious, crispy, and crunchy mashed potato snacks. So stay tuned as I walk you through the process. I want to take this opportunity to tell you that we do really appreciate your love and support at KTA Kitchen. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out whenever we post a new video, share and comment down below. Let us get this channel to 500 subscribers. I know you can do it, guys. Anyways, let's start the video. Okay, for the ingredients today, we're going to need Irish potatoes, salt, pepper, garlic, parsley, milk, cheese, breadcrumbs, and flour. Let us head into the video. We have our potatoes ready peeled. We are going to start off by chopping 3 large potatoes into large cubes. Then we're going to pour them into a pot, then fill the pot with water and cook. Cook the potatoes till they are soft. Remove them from the stove, drain out the water, then pour them into a bowl. We are going to start mashing the potatoes, and you have to do it while they are still hot. After we are done mashing, we are going to add some bits of salt, pepper, and dried garlic, hot pepper. Chop some parsley and add it too. Then begin mixing together. Done mixing, add 250 grams of flour and continue mixing till the dough is now red. We go ahead and dice 150 grams of cheese into small cubes. Finally, we are done with all the mixing part. It's now time for real business. We scoop out a spoonful of mashed potato, flatten it, and add 1 cube of cheese in the middle. Then we shape it into a small ball. Repeat the procedure till all our bowl is empty. Take our made balls and set them in the fridge. Go ahead and crack 4 eggs in a bowl. Add bits of salt and whisk. Then add in 180 ml of milk, 250 grams of flour and mix well. In case it's still a bit had, add in some more milk to loosen. Grab your breadcrumbs on the side. Then remove the mashed potato from the fridge. Dip the potatoes into the egg mix, then roll them onto the breadcrumbs. Then place them on a flat board. Now that everything is done, it's time for the cooking part. In a preheated pot or pan, whatever you have, fill it with 3/4 of cooking oil. Any brand that you have, I am using sunflower oil. Then when the oil is ready heated, proceed with adding in the dough.
Put them slowly and careful to avoid the backsplash with hot oil. You can use something like a fork or spoon to safely put them in. Let them fry for some time till they turn golden brown, meaning they are ready to be removed. Put them out of the pot one by one safely and place them on a paper towel to allow excess oil to drain. Repeat the procedure till all of them are done. Wow, I can't believe that our mashed potato snacks are ready, guys. I am so excited. Can't wait to try them out. They are very crispy and crunchy. Try it out and let me know in the comments, guys. I want to hear from you. Bon appetit. Don't forget to let me know in the comments whether you managed to recreate it, and if you did, how did it taste. Also, don't forget we are doing a post notification shutout. If you want to be mentioned in the next video, what you have to do is drop a comment and add hashtag post notification. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, like the video and turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out whenever we post a new video. Share the video and comment what I should make next. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you, we love you, stay safe, stay awesome, I am out.